Brace yourselves as we're about to cut through the noise and dive deep into the world of digital advertising. Hi there, my name is Aminul Islam Atik. My expertise? It's all things Facebook ads, Facebook metapixels, and Google ads. First up, let's talk about Facebook ads. It's not just about hitting boost post and hoping for the best. It's a complex system that requires a deep understanding of your target audience, careful crafting of your ad content, and constant monitoring and tweaking. A well-executed Facebook ad campaign can skyrocket your brand's visibility, drive traffic to your website, and ultimately increase your sales. But it's a delicate balance of art and science. You need to marry engaging content with strategic targeting to really make your ads sing. Next, we have Facebook metapixels. Now, if you're not familiar with this term, don't worry, you're not alone. Think of metapixels as tiny, invisible detectives that track user behavior on your website. They let you know what actions people are taking after they click on your Facebook ad. This invaluable data can be used to refine your advertising strategy, helping you reach your desired audience more effectively and efficiently. It's like having a crystal ball that lets you peek into the future of your marketing efforts. Last but not least, we have Google ads. These are the ads you see when you search for something on Google. They're a powerful tool that can put your brand right in front of people who are actively searching for your products or services. But just like with Facebook ads, a successful Google Ads campaign requires careful planning, strategic targeting, and regular monitoring and adjustments. So there you have it, a quick overview of my areas of expertise: Facebook ads, Facebook metapixels, and Google ads. Each of these tools has its own unique strengths and can play a crucial role in a comprehensive digital marketing strategy. But remember, the real magic happens when you understand how to use them together, creating a symphony of digital advertising that resonates with your target audience and drives them to take action. In this video, we've scratched the surface of these complex topics. But remember, knowledge is power. So keep learning, keep testing, and keep refining your strategies. And who knows, you might just crack the code to digital advertising success.